Welcome back. In the previous section, we looked at the basics of components. We focused on the JSX part and we talked about parent component, child component. We talked about how you can create individual modules for each of the components. And we talked about how you can create a number of child components in your app component. To understand React further, we need to understand a lot more about components. You need to understand how you can write logic around components, how you can take decisions based on actions, how you can style your components, and also talk about a couple of important things called states and properties. And to help us understand this, what we would do is we would develop something called a counter. We'll develop a simple counter. This would be a pure front-end counter where when you press any of these buttons, the specific increment or decrement will happen. And we have a reset button at the bottom to reset the entire state. We will use this example as a means to understand the other important things about components, logic, styling, state, and props. I hope you are having an interesting time in the course. I'll see you in the next step where we would start with the counter component.